Mr. Ricardo. Today I'm going to give you my opinion about the two questions that you left us for homework. Okay, first of all is my opinion about which is the purpose of college. Well, I think that at the end, college tries to put us in the path that we are supposed to follow the rest of our lives. It gives us the tools that we will need in order to succeed after we graduate and, of course, face reality. It basically prepares us for our working stage, if we can call it in that way, depending on the career that we will choose. If we decide to go to college, finish it, and get our diplomas, the advantages will be huge, like earning a bit more than the ones who doesn't have one. I can support my answer by highlighting this part of the reading. The next question talks about what do I want to get out of college if I go to it. Well, of course, I will go to college, but I think that what we will get from it depends on every person. First, starting by choosing a career that we are really passionate about. By making this first decision, our path will begin. We can get a lot of knowledge, a lot of experiences, hard times, bad times, but at the end, everything will be worth it, because we're preparing ourselves for something that makes us happy and will help others. Just as the case of the woman in the reading. She decided to quit her job and start the medical school to complete a medical residence. And she was happy because she was helping other people. She sacrificed everything, but at the end, everything was worth it. So, to conclude, I can say that I will make my college path worth it. And despite all the trouble that I will have to face, I will be able to put those experiences I learned in my future life. And yep, in my opinion, that's what college is about. And we have to remember that not everything is money. We have to make something that makes us happy so we won't have to be miserable the rest of our lives. Thank you.